Alabama ranked 47th in the nation in measures of child well-being under an annual report released today by the Annie E. Casey Foundation. The Foundation's 2021 Kids Count data book tracks 16 indicators across 4 larger categories: health, education, economic well-being, and family and community. The Foundation has produced the data book every year since 1990. Slightly more than 1/5 of Alabama children lived in poverty in 2019, the main year on which the report is based. Alabama has more children in single-parent homes than the national average. Alabama students lag other states in reading and math proficiency. Massachusetts and New Hampshire ranked at the top among states. Mississippi and New Mexico ranked at the bottom. Alabama's ranking was similar to that of previous years. Alabama's highest ranking was 42nd in the 2018 Kids Count report. The state fell to 44th the next year. Read the 2021 Kids Count data book. This year's report says Alabama's indicators were generally improving before the COVID-19 pandemic. But those improvements were not keeping pace with the country overall, the Foundation said in a news release. Over the last decade, Alabama showed improvement or remained the same in 12 of the 16 indicators. In the 2021 report, which uses pre-pandemic numbers from 2019, Alabama did well on 2 indicators. The state ranked in the top 5 for the lowest proportion of students not graduating from high school on time, 8%, and the percentage of children without health insurance, 3%. But the state trailed the national average on 12 indicators. While we are proud to see Alabama improve in most areas measured, the low rate of improvement before the pandemic is alarming, Judd Harwood, a partner at the Bradley Arant Boult Cummings law firm and a member of the Voices for Alabama's Children Board of Directors, said in the news release. Understanding this report will not only help state policymakers measure the impact of the pandemic on our children but also better target COVID resources to children and families likely most affected by the virus. Voices for Alabama's Children is a statewide nonprofit that promotes efforts to improve children's lives through research, public awareness, and advocacy, according to the organization. Here's how some of Alabama's indicators changed over a decade and how they compared to national averages. Nation, 22% in 2010, 17% in 2019. Alabama, 28% in 2010, 21% in 2019. Nation, 68% in 2009, 66% in 2019. Alabama, 72% in 2009, 72% in 2019. Nation, 67% in 2009, 67% in 2019. Alabama, 80% in 2009, 79% in 2019. Nation, 8.1% in 2010, 8.3% in 2019. Alabama, 10.3% in 2010, 10.5% in 2019. Nation, 26 in 2010, 25 in 2019. Alabama, 37 in 2010, 41 in 2019. Nation, 34% in 2010, 34% in 2019. Alabama, 40% in 2010, 40% in 2019. Nation, 34 in 2010, 17 in 2019. Alabama, 44 in 2010, 26 in 2019.